nanawagan ako sa Commission on Elections na i-extend ang voter registration period sa mga lugar na apektado ng 15 araw na ECQ. Sayang yung period from August 6 to 20, especially for some of our first-time voters. Yung iba sa kanila are not even eligible for vaccination. It is only logical to extend the voter registration period by at least 2 more weeks. It's 2 more weeks that may prove critical for our country's future. I agree that deadlines should be observed, but these are extraordinary circumstances. Hopefully, in this case, COMELEC can make one last necessary extension. Huwag naman sanang i-quarantine pati ang karapatan ng mga tao na bumoto. COVID-19's Delta variant has already disrupted our communities. Let it not get in the way of our citizens' desire to participate in the May 2022 elections.